McLaren GTS is somewhat carrying the legacy of McLaren GT, the series that was discontinued in 2023 that we have reviewed in our last video. So here we are again to what McLaren GTS has to offer. What's new? The McLaren GTS showcases exceptional design elements, including an electro-hydraulic steering system, adaptive damping with proactive damping control, and a powerful carbon ceramic braking system. These features harmonize with the mid-mounted V8 engine and lightweight construction to create an authentic supercar experience, balancing agility and comfort. Equipped with an upgraded version of the same 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, the main differences including an increase in power output along with a weight reduction collectively improves its power-to-weight ratio. Design talk. The McLaren GTS builds upon the sleek exterior of the GT, amplifying its aerodynamic profile with bold new design elements. The iconic hammerhead front end has been reimagined with a revised lower bumper section, showcasing more pronounced air intakes that draw in additional air to cool the radiator. Optional gloss visual carbon fiber air blades add a touch of racing-inspired aggression to the front fascia. Meanwhile, the rear fenders feature new, taller air scoops, also available in gloss visual carbon fiber, that not only enhance the car's athletic stance but also channel vital airflow into the potent 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, elevating its performance capabilities. Designed for urban roading. The McLaren GTS excels in urban environments, offering excellent front visibility and rearward vision courtesy of the large glass tailgate, glazed C-pillars, and large rear quarter windows. Underbody ground clearance of 110 mm can be increased to 130 mm using the enhanced vehicle lift function, which raises or lowers the nose in just 4 seconds, more than twice as fast as before. Diving inside. Similarly to exterior, the GT's interior layout is also carried forward, with a 7-inch infotainment display and a 10.25-inch digital instrument display. Other features include 6-color ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof with adjustable light transmission. The GTS interior is designed for comfort and practicality, with upgraded materials and new upholstery options. The comfort seats are upholstered in Napa leather, and the performance theme offers soft grain aniline leather and Alcantara. Standard features include a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 7-inch portrait-style touchscreen. Cargo spacing. The carbon fiber rear upper structure within the monocoque chassis allows for a spacious and versatile luggage area behind the passenger cell. With a capacity of 420 liters, the cargo area is accessed via an electrically operated, full-length glass tailgate with a soft close function. An additional 150 liters of storage in the nose brings the total cargo space to 570 liters, making the McLaren GTS the most practical new supercar on sale. Powertrain. The GTS is 10 kilograms lighter than the GT, with a weight of 1520 kg, that is 3351 pounds. This, combined with the increase in power, gives it a power-to-weight ratio of 412 bp per ton, which McLaren says is the best in the segment. Despite its focus on practicality, the GTS is still a supercar at heart. The 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine has now been updated and now makes 626 bp at 7,500 revolutions per minute, up by nearly 15 bp from the GT. The torque output, however, remains the same, at 630 Nm. The engine is mated to a 7-speed SSG transmission, the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. So this whole setup helps the McLaren GTS go from 0 to 100 km in 3.2 seconds and reach top speeds of up to 326 km, identical to the GT. The supercar gets 3 drive modes: Comfort, Sport and Track. 7-speed SSG transmission system. The McLaren GTS boasts a cutting-edge 7-speed SSG transmission, delivering silky smooth and lightning-fast shifts in Comfort mode. This default mode ensures effortless acceleration, while 2 additional driving modes, Sport and Track, offer enhanced driving experiences via the Active Dynamics panel. Sport mode injects a dose of excitement, with momentary ignition spark cut technology facilitating faster and more aggressive gear shifts. Track mode takes performance to new heights, optimizing gearbox performance with minimal torque loss between shifts. Manual control is also available via steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters in any drive mode. Steering: the GTS's steering system provides unparalleled feedback and feeling, with ultra-precise and accurate responses. Assistance levels adjust automatically at low speeds for effortless low-speed maneuvering. The McLaren GTS features 390mm carbon ceramic brake discs at the front and 380mm discs at the rear, paired with lightweight 6-piston aluminum calipers, 4-piston at the rear. This setup delivers exceptional feel and performance, capable of halting the car from 62 miles per hour in just 32 meters. The tuning of the electro-hydraulic steering system, the standard-fit suspension featuring adaptive damping with proactive damping control, and the powerful carbon ceramic braking system are all unique to the McLaren GTS. These elements optimize the mid-mounted position of the V8 engine and the car's lightweight construction for an authentic supercar driving experience, with balance and agility prioritized, but not at the expense of comfort and ride quality when this is beneficial. 2024 McLaren GTS price and competition. As with most supercars, the price of the 2024 McLaren GTS is undisclosed. The GTS's $419,392 pricing is a minor increase over the GT's original $399,995 asked before on-road costs when it launched in 2020. Gas mileage is the same as the GT, with EPA ratings of 15-20 seconds/18 Mach. Verdict: McLaren boasts that the GTS is the most practical supercar on the market, and for good reason. With standard features like carbon ceramic brakes and adaptive dampers, this car is built for performance. Plus, with a variable ground clearance of 4.3 to 5.1 inches, you can tackle any road with confidence. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos.